Welcome back to C programming interview questions. Now we are going to discuss about the fifth method to swap two numbers in a C program. So let's consider A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. Now interviewer has asked you that you need to swap these two numbers without using third variable, as well as you have to write a single line of code. So how you can do this? So again, for this we can use a arithmetic operation, and let me show you two different logic to do this. So first logic is to swap A and B, we will use this expression, and here you can see that we have this A plus B minus A equal to B. Now you must be thinking that which operation has a highest priority. It will follow this parenthesis and it will perform this addition operation first. So A plus B will be what? 30. So 30 will be over here. Now again it will perform this parenthesis operation. So we will say that A equal to B. So the value of B is what? 20. It is going to be stored into this A. So now we have A equal to 20. Now it will perform the subtraction. So 30 minus 20. So 30 minus 20 is what? 10. So that's why we have B equal to 10. So you can see that B equal to 10 and A will be updated to the 20. So this is how it will get swapped within a single line of code. There is second method also. So let's talk about that. So instead of addition, you can perform a XOR operation. If you don't know about XOR operation and how it working, you can watch my previous video related to this. Now let's say we will perform a XOR operation with this A and B. So we know that in a previous video I have already explained you that A XOR B will be like 30, and now here we are already updating A from the B. So A will be equal to 20. XOR operation between this 20 and this 30 will be what? 10. So we will have the B equal to 20 and A equal to 20. So this is how you can swap two numbers with the help of a single line of code. Now let's verify this both the method in the program. So now we are going to discuss about the fifth method, and to write a program for the fifth method I will again take a reference of the fourth. So let's first try 5_1, the first method. Here we are going to write a logic for it. So we don't need this whole line. I will copy only this. It will be like this. So now we need to write an expression over here. We will say that B equal to now A plus B, right? But remember that we are working in the function, we are passing the address, so we need to use a pointer over here. Then minus this pointer A will be equal to pointer B. So this single line of code will do the job. Instead of this method 4, we will say 5_1. Let's call this method now. So I will copy this and comment it. Here instead of calling this fourth method, we will call this swap 5_1, and we will pass the address of this. We can take any number. For a first reference we will take 10 and 20. Alright, so let's run this program. So you can see that A equal to 20, B equal to 10. Okay, now let's try another method, that is with the help of XOR operation. So again I will copy this, and here we need to write a function name as 5_2, and here I will copy this, and okay, now we are going to use a XOR operation. So A XOR B, and here also we will have the whatever will be the result, that will be XOR with the updated value of A. Okay, now instead of calling this, we will call the 5 underscore 2. So let's comment this, as well as here also we will have 5 underscore 2 and 2. Okay, so this will call this function, right? And let's consider some other value also. Let's say 90 and 150. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, I will close it and run this program. So A should be equal to 150 and B will be equal to 90. So this is the fifth method. I hope you like all my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.